मंजिल का यकीन है, आजमाइश सख्त है मगर तू तो रहीम है, मुझे रास्तों से ना डराओ ए दुनिया वालों, मैं जिसकी आस पर हूँ वो रब करीम है। I begin with the name of that pure being whose mansion brings light to the mind and purity to the soul. His kindness helps me stay strong under the pressure of life. His protection gives me courage, turning my fears into strength and my doubts into trust. Today, we gather here to reflect on a critical question. Is the future of Muslims dark or bright? Once the Muslim world stood as beacon of knowledge, unity and power, lighting up every corner of the world with its brilliance. But today's Muslims have strayed so far from the path of Islam and the truth that they can no longer distinguish between right and wrong, which is leading them to ruin both their present and their future. As a result of this confusion, they are not only drifting away from their religion, but also darkening their worldly and eternal futures. In the past, Muslims were united, and that unity allowed them to rule over much of the world. However, in order to weaken them, their unity was broken and different sects were created among them. When they became divided into different sects, they started fighting with each other, accusing one another of being wrong. As a result, they strayed from the path of progress and fell into decline. Even today, while other nations are progressing, they are working to improve their future, many Muslims are still caught up in sectarian conflicts. This division has led them away from the path of progress, further darkening their future. So the only solution is that if we walk on the path of unity, no one will be able to defeat us, and once again, we will be able to rule over much of the world. The world will once again be under our control. इकबाल says, मुनफ़अत एक है इस कौम की नुकसान भी एक है सबका नबी दीन भी ईमान भी एक. So that is all I can convey in this time. Thank you very much for listening.